So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and make your own custom emojis on your iPhone. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all, but this is without using Genmoji. So the new generative emoji thing Apple made, you don't need that. Even though I'm on iOS 18 here, this iPhone does not support Genmoji. It's an alternative, it's not the coolest thing in the world, but it is an option. So all you have to do, I'll do this in real time, is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your Safari browser. And on Google, you want to go and Google combine emojis. So all you have to do is go and type in combined emojis. So just like this, and you'll get into this panel. Now the emojis that Apple showed, they're a little bit different, they're higher quality, but these ones are still pretty decent, and it is a decent workaround that you can do on any iPhone. So now what you can do is you can click on Get Cooking right here when you type in combine emojis, and you can see that you can start kind of playing around with it and start combining different emojis in order for you to get an actual emoji set on your particular device. So now all you have to do here is you can just go ahead and just kind of mess around with this whichever way you want to. You can go ahead and kind of play around with it whatever way you want. So if I wanted this emoji to be, let's say, the demon icon, right? You can see that I can start combining different emojis and making them equal that. So I can mess around with this one, can make this face, and there's endless amounts of possibilities. There's basically almost an infinite amount of possibilities here, and it's really cool, and you have the option of doing this. So even if you don't have iOS 18, you can copy them here. So you can just copy here. You can paste it wherever you want to. Let's say you want to go in iMessage, you can paste it. But that's basically how you do it. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.